Now, Mr. Sam, you are going to buy a beautiful gift for your wife for her birthday. Okay, so you want to surprise her with a nice beautiful watch, and you want to go to a shop which sells beautiful watches, and you want to select the best one out of there. Okay, let's see how you would carry on the conversation. Okay, now you always like to give your wife something nice which she would appreciate, because sari and jewelry and all this, it's become very common these days, isn't it? Something which will which she would remember you every day. That can be a watch. Each time she looks into the watch, she'll think, okay, my husband has given it. So we are just going to see how you are going to go to a shop and buy a gift for your wife. Okay, so at a gift shop. And what is the gift that you are going to give? A watch. Shopkeeper. You enter in. Shall I write? Okay, I'll write it fully. Yes, sir. What do you want? So he's asking you what you would like to buy from his shop. It's a gift shop. He has everything. He has even boxes, he has watches, he has even other show pieces and all that. But you are going there with the intention of getting her a watch. Okay, so you just say, Mr. Sam. I want to buy a good watch. Can I see some? Okay, I want to buy a good watch. Can I see some? That is, only if he shows many watches, you can choose the best one. So, shopkeeper is asking. Do you want a lady's watch? First you should tell that, isn't it? If you tell that only, he can go ahead and show you. Do you want a lady's watch or a gent's watch? So, only if you tell which type of watch you need, you can get, isn't it? He will show you. So, let's see. Do you want a lady's watch or a gent's watch, and whom do you want to buy for? You want to buy for your wife. So, you just say, I want to gift my, I want to buy a gift for my, okay, I want to buy a lady, I want to buy a watch to give my wife. as a present. Shopkeeper. Oh, for your wife. I will show you the best watches. Shall I show you? HMT or Titan? And you say, I would like a Titan. A Titan quartz. I would like a Titan quartz. And shopkeeper. Here, sir, I have a beautiful collection. I have a beautiful collection of ladies' watches. Just have a look. And Mr. Sam. Now you have something particular in mind. You want to give her a beautiful stone studded watch with gold strap or silver strap or with a leather strap with a gold strap. Okay. You just want him to take, okay? Get me the one on the third row. Second watch. I want the one with stones studded on it with a gold strap. And the shopkeeper also he says, well, that's a good one. It is the latest. It is the latest model. I'm sure I'm sure your wife will really like it. And okay, now you are worried about the price. Okay, what is the cost of it? You don't know. You like it very much. Yes, it really looks nice. What's the price of it? And the shopkeeper it is 2,500, sir. I shall give you a discount of 10%. And you say, okay, pack it up. With gift wrapper. Here's the money. Okay. Now you saw how you have gone to a gift shop and you bought a beautiful gift for your wife. Okay. Now I'm sure when you take the gift to your house and if you show it to your wife, she's going to be really happy with it and she's going to look at it each minute and say how much my husband cares for me, and she'll be very thankful to you. Okay, shall we see the dialogue now once again? Shopkeeper, you enter into a gift store, and what dialogue is going on, what conversation is going on inside a gift shop, you are going to see. Shopkeeper, yes sir, what do you want? Mr. Sam, that's you. I want to buy a good watch. Can I see some? Shopkeeper, do you want a lady's watch or a gent's watch? And Mr. Sam, I want to buy a watch to give my wife as a present. Shopkeeper, oh, for your wife, sir? I will show you the best watches. Shall I show you HMT or Titan? And Mr. Sam says, I would like a Titan quartz. Shopkeeper, here sir, I have a beautiful collection of ladies' watches. Just have a look. And Mr. Sam, get me the one on the third row, second watch. I want the one with a stone studded on it with a gold strap. Shopkeeper, well, that's a good one, sir. It is the latest model. I am sure your wife will really like it. Shopkeeper, yes, it really looks nice. What's the price of it? And the shopkeeper says, it is rupees 2500, sir. I shall give you a discount of 10%. And Mr. Sam is very happy. Okay, pack it up with gift wrapper. Here's the money. And he gives the money and he gets the gift and goes home happily. Okay, I am sure you've learned how to go ahead with a conversation at a gift store. Now we saw provision store, now at a gift shop, and practice it and you can become very fluent in your speech.